Okay, this has flaws. I want to be upfront about that. I really need someone to speak for me because this is like my 9th take. This piece features double loop belts. The pockets are functional. You should wash this in cold water, no bleach. I'm using ASTM sizing, not vanity sizing. I'm making this in larger sizes and in different colors and different styles. If you have any questions, hit me in the DMs or in the comments. Let me know what you're looking for. This is a perfect piece for running around doing errands, birthday parties, barbecues, picnics, going to the movies, festivals, council meetings, local council meetings. I am looking to sell these on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. I'm going to get a Shopify account. I have a PO box set up. So you guys, if you have any questions, hit me in the DMs or hit me in the comments. Again, this is for sale. I am asking a little bit of money for these, okay? Because I have to pay the rent. So if you guys like, let me know. If you guys dislike, let me know. Again, different colors coming, not just red. I will talk to you guys in the next video.